Yo, what's up, Westive class? This is your mama talking. We're gonna be talking about Mesopotamia, so listen up, y'all. Yeah! Mesopotamia, people living with an awesome code of law. All the thanks to King Hammurabi. Oh, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, he said, with over 200 laws containing in it. Yeah, he was known as a lawmaker in Babylon. Thanks a million, no a billion, for the wheels and math like algebra. But if we only got feet and no round wheels, then we wouldn't have cars like Lamborghinis, Honda Civic, Ford, GM, Infinity. And when you walk, then you're bound to get blisters. Yeah, use math to demonstrate how variables works and operates. Man, you gotta have math just to set it straight. Take control of your math and meditate. Let your mind gravitate to them graphs, y'all.
Scientific achievements and writing systems too. Oh, where would we be without you? Mesopotamia, wanna thank you for so much. People got me questioning, where's all this from? Code of the law, little bloodshed. Thank you so much.
They were the ones who were first to show us literature. Shouldn't we thank them? They started off with pictograms, such as pictures of clams and lambs. Then they progressed. The tiny little pictures developed into symbols. We call that type of writing cuneiform. So ask yourself, isn't Mesopotamia great? Just see for yourself all the things they did for us. In this world that we live in, people keep on living in. Over years and years they just keep improving more and more. The scribes recorded daily events, all daily events, such as trade, astronomy, and all kinds of literature. The truth is kept secret, but it's all Mesopotamia. If you never know that, then you'll never pass class.
Where's the truth, y'all? Come on.
I don't know.
In the books, y'all. Written.
You all know.
In the song, y'all.
Scientific achievements and writing systems too. Oh, where would we be without you? Mesopotamia, want to thank you for so much. People got me questioning, where's all this from? Code of the law, literature. Thank you so much.
It's called the cradle of civilization. It's the location, y'all. Feel the sensation. Most of us don't even know what that phrase means. It's a name for any possible location for the emergence of civilization. Civilizations were the presence of advanced state, intellectual, cultural development in human society. Yo, there's no questioning that they begotten all of this. There ain't be nothing in the mind that don't exist. Instead of praising them, we always trying to diss. Lack of recognition, appreciation for community.
That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my thoughts alive till it is found. Scientific achievements and writing systems too. Oh, where would we be without you? Mesopotamia, want to thank you for so much. These people got me questioning, where's all this from? Code of the law, literature. Thank you so much. Code of the law, literature. Thank you so much.